Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. Got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. Little something different today. I've been called in by a friend to help fix something on his Zooz. I'm also going to do a little helmet shopping, and I'm testing out a new bracket. Got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. I got a call yesterday from Fabio over at Dainese. He's having a little trouble with his Ultraflex. It's not going fast enough. So I figured I'd ride over there and check it out, try to troubleshoot with him, see if we could find out what's wrong, what's going on. I'm also interested in some of the AGV helmets that they have there. So I got to try some on and see how they feel. And what better place to do it than Dainese. And then third, I've got a new bracket mount for my 360 cam here on the handlebars. It just came yesterday. It's from a company called Small Rig. It is a little small. It's probably made for skinnier bars, but it seems to be okay. It seems to grab okay. It might be a little bit better suited for like the crossbar on the handlebars rather than the upper grip area, because that's a little skinnier usually. So trying it out. Dainese's over in the West Village. I'm just, I'm gonna cut across Delancey, Kenmar, make my way over across town. Shouldn't be too long of a ride. Hopefully we get this thing sorted out. It could be as easy as the P setting. It could be a problematic issue like the battery connection. The worst case, I suppose, is he's gonna have to contact the Zooz customer support, and I might be able to get a helmet or order one, or at least try it on and make sure I like the sizing. I would like to see the colorway in person, make sure it's the right yellow. I think it's an AGV X100 Dust in matte yellow and black. It kind of looks like a motocross style, you know, with the chin that juts out, but with a goggle ready face opening and a snap-on peak. I saw at Revzilla it's on sale for like 60% off at $175, which is a real good deal. The Dainese website had them for $200 or $205. I think they'll match the price if I want it. One thing I'm definitely sure of about this little mount is, I mean, it's a blessing and a curse. This little, it's got like a little crank bar on it to really torque down the pressure on the bar, so you can get it tight without having to use like a wrench or pliers or anything like that. Some of these things you really gotta crank it down with like tools. But I don't think it's rattling all that much right now. I thought it would be rattling a lot. Seems to be okay. Let's see if I can shoot this gap here, beat some of this traffic. Taking this right here, cutting across. What is it, Spring Street? I don't even know what this street is. I know it feeds like right into Dainese. Or Dainese, I don't know how to say it. Maybe it's a Dainese in Italian. Fabio can tell me. It's pretty much getting through Soho now and into the West Village. Dainese's going to be up here on the right when I make a turn. All right, here we go. Let's find Fabio, see if we can fix this issue. Yeah, bring it in? All right. How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
All right. How's it going?
What's up, man?
What's up?
How are you?
All right, how are you?
Good, good.
I got all the cameras going. see how it fits. So this is a small, right?
Yeah.
And it's the same deal, the 3 shell sizes for these. Oh wow, this is a little small. Snug.
Snug, no. Oh, you have the thing inside.
Oh. It's light too. It's a D-ring. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Nice and snug and light. Cool. Looks cool. I have a motocross style, but this is much nicer.
Yeah. This is more like I want to say Dakar, like touring.
Okay. Yeah.
Sand, forest, stuff like that.
Yeah, I like the look of it. It's really sweet. I think we fixed it. The P3 setting was capped out at 20, so I think we just fixed the issue. Yeah, he's cruising. That's more than 20. Oh. Good?
Yeah, it looks like.
Awesome. I'm glad it was simple.
Yeah.
We figured it out. It was the P settings. Thank God it was something so easy and that didn't need like a battery repair. Very happy about that. Somehow the bike must have switched back over to the factory setting, which will limit you at like 20. Tried on the helmet. The helmet is snug for us. Well, I think it's because the shell size is dedicated to extra small and small. So I'm at the larger end of the shell for my helmet size. It's snug, but properly snug. It's very similar to my motocross helmet. I like it. It's good. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I gotta see. Because, you know, I have like, I guess I got 4 helmets now. So I don't know if I need to keep getting more. Maybe I'll get it, maybe not. It's a nice little, this is my lunch break. You know, I'm working from home today and I had a little bit of a lull and figured, let me take a break and get out in this sun. Too nice not to ride in it. Plus next week is gonna be like -6 degrees. It's gonna be real cold. So that's it, we did it. Zooz repairman Johnny Prime, helmet shopper, bracket tester, around the hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.